Imagine having an AI agent that researches high-growth job markets while you sleep, delivering a personalized report on the best career pivot opportunities. Today, you'll learn to build exactly that, an AI career pivot engine that does hours of market analysis in minutes. Before, you might spend weeks manually sifting through job boards and trend reports. After, you'll have actionable insights, generated by AI, ready to guide your next career move.
The traditional way to pivot careers involves endless manual research, browsing LinkedIn, reading industry reports, and trying to spot trends yourself. This is time-consuming, prone to bias, and often outdated by the time you finish. But with AI, this entire process transforms. You can now automate the data collection, trend identification, and even skill gap analysis, making your career decisions faster and far more informed.
We are going to achieve one concrete outcome: setting up an AI system that predicts high-growth job markets based on your criteria. This isn't just about finding jobs. It's about identifying strategic career paths for the next 5 to 10 years. Our process is centered around 3 clear, numbered steps, using a selection of powerful AI tools.
Our first step is to define your career pivot criteria. This is crucial because the AI needs clear parameters to work with. Think about your current skills, interests, and desired work-life balance. For example, you might specify tech roles in sustainable energy with remote options or marketing positions in AI-driven education platforms. The more specific you are, the better the AI's output will be.
Next, we'll configure our AI research agent. This is where the magic happens. We'll be using tools that can scour the internet, analyze vast amounts of data, and synthesize it into digestible insights. Our primary tool for orchestrating this will be Superpowers.
Superpowers is an open-source framework designed for building and running AI agents. It excels at agent orchestration and task automation, allowing you to create complex, multi-step workflows. It's best for users who want to build custom, automated AI workflows for in-depth research and analysis. As an open-source tool, it's completely free to use, making it accessible for everyone.
To get started with Superpowers, you'll typically interact with its GitHub repository. Here, you'll find installation instructions and examples of how to set up your first agent. You'll define the goal for your career pivot engine, for instance. Identify the top 5 emerging job markets for individuals with X skills in Y industry, including required skills and average salary ranges.
Superpower's strength lies in its customizable workflows. You can program it to perform specific actions like searching news articles, analyzing job postings on various platforms, and even looking at venture capital funding trends in different sectors. This level of detail ensures the insights you get are truly comprehensive and tailored to your needs.
To enhance Superpowers, we'll leverage prompts from prompts.chat. This is a community-driven platform for sharing and discovering effective AI prompts. It provides a vast library of categorized prompts, perfect for guiding your AI agent to ask the right questions and extract the most relevant data.
Prompts.chat is a fantastic resource for anyone looking for high-quality, pre-tested prompts to get better results from their AI models. It's completely free and offers prompts for almost any task imaginable. By using well-crafted prompts, you can significantly improve the accuracy and relevance of the information your AI agent gathers.
For example, you might find prompts like analyze recent tech layoffs to identify resilient sectors, or generate a list of in-demand skills for AI product managers in 2026. Integrating these into your Superpowers agent's workflow ensures it's asking intelligent questions, not just performing generic searches.
Our third and final step is to analyze the AI-generated market insights. Once Superpowers, guided by prompts.chat, has completed its research, it will present you with a structured report. This report will highlight key trends, specific job roles, necessary skill sets, and even potential salary ranges in your desired pivot areas.
For more advanced users, or if you want an even more autonomous agent, consider AutoGPT. AutoGPT is an experimental open-source application showcasing autonomous AI agents. It's goal-driven, can access the internet, and manages its own memory, making it ideal for complex, self-directed research tasks.
AutoGPT is best for advanced users and developers who want to experiment with self-directed AI for complex research tasks. It's also free and open source. While it requires a bit more technical setup than just using prompts, its ability to autonomously pursue a goal makes it incredibly powerful for deep market analysis.
The data from AutoGPT can be integrated into your Superpowers workflow or used as a standalone deep dive tool. It can identify subtle shifts in market demand, predict the impact of new technologies, and even suggest niche areas that human researchers might overlook. The key is to interpret these insights and apply them to your personal career strategy.
Now, let's look at the before and after. Before AI, identifying a high-growth job market might take weeks of manual research, resulting in potentially outdated or incomplete information. With our AI Career Pivot engine, you can define your criteria, configure your agents, and receive a comprehensive, data-backed report in just minutes or a few hours, depending on the complexity of your query. This is a game-changer for career planning.
To recap, we've covered how to define your career pivot criteria, configure your AI research agent using Superpowers and prompts.chat, and analyze the market insights. For those seeking maximum autonomy, AutoGPT offers an even deeper level of automated research. These tools empower you to make data-driven career decisions, saving you countless hours and giving you a strategic edge in the job market.
Stop guessing about your next career move, let AI analyze the market and show you the path. This proactive approach ensures you're always one step ahead. Start building your AI Career Pivot engine today.
Let's dive deeper into setting up Superpowers. First, you'll need to clone the Superpowers GitHub repository to your local machine. Open your terminal or command prompt and type git clone Superpowers GitHub URL. Once cloned, navigate into the Superpowers directory. You'll then typically run an installation script or command, often npm install or pip install depending on its underlying tech stack, to get all dependencies in place. After installation, you'll create a new agent configuration file, often a YAML or JSON file, where you'll define your agent's goal, such as research the top 5 emerging job markets for remote-friendly software engineers in AI or ML, including necessary skills and salary ranges.
Next, let's look at prompts.chat. Head over to the prompts.chat website. You'll see a search bar and categories like career, marketing, coding, etc. For our Career Pivot engine, search for terms like career growth, job market analysis, or skill gap. Browse the results and select prompts that align with your Superpowers agent's goals. For instance, if your agent needs to identify future skills, you might find a prompt like, list the top 10 in-demand soft and hard skills for data scientists in the next 5 years. Copy the exact prompt text. You'll then integrate this prompt into your Superpowers agent's configuration, telling it to use the specific prompt when interacting with an underlying language model to gather information.
Finally, for AutoGPT, the setup is a bit more involved. You'll typically start by cloning its GitHub repository, similar to Superpowers. After cloning, you'll need to set up API keys for services like OpenAI, for the language model, and potentially other tools AutoGPT might use for web browsing or data storage. These keys are usually placed in an .env file within the AutoGPT directory. Once configured, you'll run AutoGPT from your terminal. When it starts, it will ask you for an AI name, AI role, and up to 5 goals. For our purpose, you might define a goal like identify high-growth job markets for individuals with a background in digital marketing and a desire to transition into renewable energy, providing a detailed report on required skills, companies hiring, and salary expectations. AutoGPT will then autonomously work towards this goal.
Our top recommendation for flexible, custom automation is Superpowers. For instant AI prompting power, prompts.chat is the best free option. And if you're just starting out, prompts.chat is also best for beginners due to its ease of use. If you found this breakdown helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more deep dives into AI tools and productivity workflows. What other AI-powered workflows would you like to see next?